I spotted the CN EJ&E Heritage Unit leading solo on a northbound past Griffith, Indiana last night. Actually, no, it was this morning, like about 2 o'clock. So I figured, well, give that about 8 hours to get here, and sure enough, it's heading north. I've caught it a lot of times, that Heritage Unit, but I figured, hey, I like to catch stuff leading, and so I'll bring this video to you. And the reason I'm standing under this bridge is because it's been raining pretty much all morning. Sky is falling, and my drone isn't waterproof or weatherproof at all. So I figured, well, what if I fly my drone underneath the bridge? So just in case it starts raining, I don't ruin my drone or anything else for that matter. So as you can see, my goal is going to be to put my drone right about there, and then, you know, you probably won't see it in the film, but yeah, doing a little something different here because I don't have any drone shots of the EJ&E yet. And so enjoy this catch, and I think that guy's like a little mega guy, Make America Great Again. I didn't put it there. It's been there for a long time, and I think it's kind of funny that somebody covered all the graffiti except for that picture. Oh, and if you're hearing gunshots in the background, those are gunshots in the background. If you've never been to Washington County, Wisconsin, I'm going to say that this county is highly armed. There's a lot of guns, so just note that if you're thinking about doing something naughty, a lot of guns. Anyway, have a good morning. Rugby Junction, signing off.